The F3 5G is the best and cheapest 5G smartphone of 2022. Watch this video till the end to know the full details about the device. Let's head into it. Hey guys, so Umidigi announced the 5G variant of the Umidigi F3. So now the Umidigi F3 series consists of 4 devices. Before, the Umidigi F3 series consists of 3 devices. The Umidigi F3, the 4G variant, the Umidigi F3 SE, and the Umidigi F3S. And obviously, the F3 5G is the best amongst the devices. It is better than the Umidigi F3, the F3S, and the F3 SE. In terms of design, the Umidigi F3 5G is the exact replica of the Umidigi F3. But in terms of specs, the F3 5G is better than the F3. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications because we'll be talking about the F3 5G in this video, and I'll upload a video comparing the specs of the F3 5G with the Umidigi F3 4G, so you guys could know the differences and similarities between both devices. So without further ado, let's dive into it. As mentioned earlier, the F3 5G is, in terms of design, an exact replica of the F3 4G. It is available in 3 different colors: starry black, sun glow gold, and matte silver. On the right side of the Umidigi F3 5G, there's a power button and volume keys. The power button is embedded with a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, there is a SIM slot. The phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack at the top. At the bottom, there is a speaker grill and a USB Type-C port. At the back of the phone, there's a camera module that houses 3 cameras and a flash. There's also the words "Beyond Dreams" branded at the back of the phone. In terms of specs, the Umidigi F3 5G has a 6.7-inch HD Plus display with an IPS LCD panel. The refresh rate is 60 Hz. It is powered by the Dimensity 700 chip, mid-range 5G chip released by MediaTek. It is very efficient. The F3 5G has 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The storage will be expanded up to 512GB using an external SD card. As mentioned earlier, the phone has triple cameras at the back, which consists of a 48MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 5MP macro lens. The phone has a teardrop display, and the notch houses a 16MP camera for selfies. The phone is backed up by a 5150mAh battery, and it supports 18 watts fast charging, which is quite good, and it ships with the latest Android 12 OS. Other features includes NFC support, which is very nice. It supports face unlock and it supports Bluetooth 5.1. So these are the few details of the Umidigi F3 5G. Like I mentioned earlier, I'll be comparing the specs of the F3 5G with the F3 4G, so you guys could know the differences and similarities between both devices. I'd like to know your thoughts about the Umidigi F3 5G, so make sure to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.